Sa mga nagtatrabaho guys, lahat ba tayo nakatanggap na ng 13-month pay? Alam niyo ba na kasama na makakatanggap ng 13-month pay ang mga SSS pensioners? Kasi meron silang 13-month pay for SSS pensioners. Kahit pala hindi na tayo nagtatrabaho, kung isa tayo sa SSS pensioners, ay makakatanggap din tayo ng 13-month pay or Christmas bonus from SSS. So ito guys, para dun sa mga nagpe-pension na bago pa lang, para magkaroon kayo ng idea about dito sa 13-month pay for SSS pensioners. Siguro yung mga datihan ng nagpe-pension sa SSS ay nakakatanggap na sila every year ng 13-month pay or Christmas bonus from SSS. So ano ba yung 13-month pay for SSS pensioners? So ito guys yung binibigay ng SSS, yung binibigay ng SSS annual sa mga SSS pensioners. Pensioners who are qualified to receive the 13-month pension are SSS retirement pensioners and SSS and employee compensation survivor and total disability pensioners. So kasama na yung mga disability pensioners including partial disability pensioners with pension duration of not less than 12 months. Kailangan makumpleto natin yung 12 months bago mag-December para qualified tayo na makatanggap ng 13-month pension or Christmas bonus sa SSS. So magkano naman guys yung makukuha natin? Amount and payment schedule. At kailan marirelease yung ating 13-month pension? Amount and payment schedule of Christmas bonus. The amount of the bonus varies depending on the size of their pension, with those receiving higher pensions receiving larger bonuses. So ibig sabihin guys, kung malaki yung natatanggap natin na monthly pension, possible na malaki din yung ating makukuhang bonus or 13-month pension. The payment schedule for the SSS Christmas bonus is fixed and begin from November 1st each year. Pensioner can expect to receive payment within 15 working days after this date. Those who have not yet received their amounts by mid-December should contact the SSS office to ensure prompt delivery and receipt of funds. So kung pensioners na tayo guys at nakakatanggap na tayo ng 13-month pay or bonuses, kung hindi pa pumapasok ito within the mid-December, ay tatawag daw tayo sa SSS office para i-follow up. How to claim 13-month pay? So paano ba natin makiklaim guys? Automatic to guys na iulog sa ating disbursement account kung ano yung ginagamit natin para dun sa ating monthly pension. And guys, hanggang dun lang yung ating masishare ngayon about ito sa 13-month pay for SSS pensioners. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para ma-update ka dun sa mga bagong videos na i-upload ko. Maraming salamat po and God bless. See you in the next video.